Good morning, students. Let's try solving some numericals. Let me read out this question. An athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. What is the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? Whenever there is a numerical problem given, the first thing what you are going to write is all the given quantities. You will write down all the given quantities and then check whether they are in the proper units so that you can do further calculation. So if you see the problem here, since it's a circular track, they have given the diameter which is 200 meter. So we are going to represent diameter by small letter d and the value is 200 meter. If the diameter is 200 meters, then we can calculate the radius which is half of diameter and it is 100 meters. And they have asked us to calculate the distance and displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. So if you see here, the time they have asked is how much distance calculated in 2 minutes 20 seconds. We are going to convert this time into seconds. So we know that the value of 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 2 minutes will be 2 into 60, 120 seconds. So 2 minutes 20 seconds will be 120 plus 20, which is 140 seconds. Now look at the sub-question 1 solution here. So we know that the distance moved by the athlete in 40 seconds is 1 round. So when we say 1 round, it is actually the circumference of the circle. And we know that circumference of a circle can be calculated by using the formula 2 pi r. And here we have already calculated the radius which is 100 meter. So 2 pi r means 2 into pi into 100 which is 200 pi. So distance moved by the athlete in 40 seconds which is equal to 1 round is 200 pi. So what will be the distance moved in 140 seconds? So 40 seconds is 200 pi. So 140 seconds. So for this we will be doing cross multiplication. So when you cross multiply, you will get as 140 into 200 pi by 40. So we are going to substitute the value of pi here. We will take it as 22 by 7. So when you are doing the calculation, you will get the final value as 2200 meter. You can just try out this calculation and check whether you are getting this value. Now in the second sub question, they have asked you to find the displacement. We have already calculated the distance. Now we have to calculate the displacement again after 140 seconds. Now we know that displacement is nothing but final position minus initial position. Okay, the shortest distance between initial and final position. So if the athlete completes one full round in the circular track, so if he is starting from the point B and then he completes one round and comes back to point B, we know that the displacement is 0. So if you take 140 seconds, here in the question they have given 40 seconds as 1 round. So 80 seconds will be 2 rounds. 120 seconds will be 3 rounds. But we have to calculate the displacement after 140 seconds. So if you see 120 plus 20, so it will be 3.5 rounds. So here we are asked to calculate the displacement after 3.5 rounds. So if the athlete completes one full round, the displacement is 0. So after 3 complete rounds, the displacement will be 0. So after the third round, now the athlete travels for another 20 seconds. So he would have completed half of the distance. Okay, in case he has started from B, then he would have reached the point A. So half of the circular path is traveled by the athlete. It will be only the diameter value, which is 200 meter. So the distance moved after 140 seconds is 2200 meters, and the displacement is nothing but the value of the diameter, which is the shortest distance, and that is 200 meter. So now I will give you one more such similar problem. You just solve it and I will send you the solution tomorrow to cross verify.